Most people living in Delhi know Nizamuddin as the site of a famous dargah. Few people know that right behind it live several hundred waste pickers. Many of them are young children. Project Arman, a collaboration between an individual citizen who wanted to make change, Arjun Sharma, and an NGO, Chintan, has been able to work with over 500 of these children, helping them to go to study, gain confidence, and move away from this hazardous work.
आज इस स्थिति पे पहुंचे हम लोग कि बच्चे खुद स्वयं आते हैं और इनको हम लोग इतना पढ़ाते हैं कि एमसीडी स्कूल में इनका एडमिशन हो जाए और एडमिशन होने के बाद भी हम लोग उनको लगातार ट्रैक करते रहते हैं कि बच्चा कोई ड्रॉप आउट तो नहीं हुआ है। अगर कोई बच्चा ड्रॉप आउट हो जाता है तो उसको हम दोबारा से मेन स्ट्रीमिंग कराने की कोशिश करते हैं कि उसको ड्रॉप आउट का रीजन क्या था उसको जानने के बाद।
From 2009 to 2010 April, Project Arman reached out to 280 children. Most were either picking waste when they were approached or going with their parents on waste picking rounds.
ये लोग काफ़ी मदद करते हैं कबाड़ियों की, जो बच्चे नहीं पढ़ते उनको पढ़ाने के लिए आते हैं ये लोग, और गोदाम से पार्क में से इन लोग बच्चों को पकड़ पकड़ के ले जाते हैं और जब बच्चे कुछ पढ़ने के काबिल हो जाते हैं तो उन लोगों को ये स्कूलों में एडमिशन करवाते हैं और बच्चों की काफ़ी देखभाल करते हैं कि वो बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं या नहीं जा रहे हैं, कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं करके वो लोग काफ़ी देखभाल करते हैं और जब नहीं पढ़ते हैं वो बच्चे तो उन लोगों को और ज़्यादा मदद करने की कोशिश करते हैं।
Currently, only 3 children still pick waste. This project keeps it simple. It believes in every child's capacity and sees itself as a facilitator. To do this, the teachers from this project run 3 types of classes. First, the preventive class, Balangan. Here is where children as young as 3 and as old as 5 are enrolled. All the project wants is to prevent them from being exposed to trash dumps and getting into a routine of going to work with their parents. Currently, there are 60 children in the Balangan classes.
मेरा नाम राबिया है, मैं चिंतन से जुड़ी हुई हूँ। हमारे प्रोग्राम का नाम नो चाइल्ड इन ट्रैश और हम उन बच्चों के लिए काम करते हैं जिनको कुछ नहीं आता, उनका गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में एडमिशन हो जाए, हमें वहाँ तक उन्हें पहुँचाना होता है।
By coming to these classes, they learn the discipline of attending school, preparing for school by bathing, wearing clean clothes, and reminding their parents to take them to school. The parents, all illiterate, also learn to help their children go to school. When these children are ready, they will be admitted to nearby schools. The project team will work with them to ensure that they settle in and to minimize dropouts. But that's only one class. Another type of class is called Padho aur Samjho, or read and understand. Here, a child who is entirely illiterate progresses systematically from learning alphabets to words to sentences and finally a story. Math is an important component too, with an emphasis on making the basic foundation strong. The syllabus is carefully crafted to help a child move away from any rote learning and instead understand every lesson. When these children are brought to the appropriate level, they will join MCD schools and graduate to a Project Arman community class. A community class is the third type of class for children who are already in school. This class offers children a library and tuition to help them stay in school. It also mentors parents so that they know how to support their children better. This year, over 60 children will join MCD schools in the next 4 months till July. The children of Project Arman don't just study. They learn to see themselves as part of India's promising new generation. That's why they are taught to celebrate all festivals and learn about every religion. They also learn about health, how to communicate confidently, and their own rights. Classes are not about academic achievement alone. They're also about staying healthy despite having picked waste in the past. This year, the children of Project Arman went to 2 medical clinics held specially for them, where they were examined and treated as required. Every child was dewormed. These children need help not only from their teachers but also their parents. Their parents therefore attend PTA meetings, and every single student is tracked through a monthly house visit. When a child is absent without a reason, the teacher visits the home more frequently. In the coming years, we hope that there will be no children left to work in the trash or anywhere at all. Till that becomes a reality, Project Arman is there to walk that distance to a healthier, happier and safer life with the children of Nizamuddin.